My loves, and welcome back to my channel. So for this video today, we are going to do a product review and first impression of a new product launch from Rare Beauty. So Rare Beauty is a brand by Selena Gomez. I have tried a few of their products when they first launched. And my first impression with the brand itself is that it is user-friendly even for beginners. She kept it very simple and quite minimalist. So I really like that concept that she has with her makeup line. So today I am going to do a review on a couple of her new product launch, which is the blush and the lip balm. So this is called the Stay Vulnerable Melting Cream Blush, and the shade I got is Nearly Mauve. It looks like that. I like the packaging. It is so nice and compact and it's really pretty. I've tried their liquid matte blush. This is the one that I've tried before. If you haven't seen that video, this is the one, and I'm going to leave the link down below. It claims to be a mistake-proof liquid like cream blush that just melts into your skin and just looks really nice, soft, and natural. The next is this Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm, which retails for 23 Canadian dollars. This claims to be hydrating, non-sticky, and long-wearing, and is nourishing on your lips and gives you a shine all day. This is also vegan and cruelty-free. Now let's start and try them on. So I'm going to start with this blush. I am so excited. This is actually my favorite color. Any mauvey type of makeup is like my go-to. It's like my comfort zone. So I'm so excited to try this. So I'm just going to use my clean finger here and swirl it a little bit. I don't know how pigmented it is, so I'm just rubbing a little bit like that. Right now I have foundation and concealer. That's all I have. Oh my gosh, it does blend really well. And a little goes a long way. So it has a nice soft color and like a natural flush on your skin. And you can build it up if you want to. It really feels nice and creamy, but it doesn't feel like greasy at all. At the same time, it's not scary to use this cream blush compared with the other ones that I've tried, because this one just blends in really well. So if you put too much, you just keep on blending it with your finger and it does diffuse easily and just give you a nice soft look. So that is like 2 applications that I did, but very like lightly and very little product. Now let's move on with this lip balm gloss. So that's how the applicator looks like. Ooh, so now I know what they meant by like cushiony feel. It like feels like really soft, and I don't know how to explain, but like, yeah, that's the right term, like cushiony. And this applicator is like absolutely mistake proof. Like, it is so soft and it bends really well as you apply it. I'm just gonna add just a little bit more. OMG, this color is so pretty. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and I'll give you my final thoughts after. Alright guys, I'm back and I have finished my makeup. I also had my lunch. As you guys can see, I still have nice gloss or lip balm in there, still nice and shiny. I did try to keep my mouth open wide, but still like some came up from the inner, but like the rest are still intact. So that's really good. So now, my first impression or final thoughts about these 2 products. So they are really pretty. I like the color so much. It's like I said, it's my favorite. The blush, I really like how it blends well into my skin and gives you a nice, soft, natural flush on your cheeks. And it is nice and glowy, so it's like the opposite of the one that I got here, because this one is matte. So it is a nice change of look. If you want to have a nice glowy blush, then this would be your go-to. And then for the lip gloss, I am obsessed with the application, the cushiony feel of it, and then the color is just perfect. I love it. It's not too dark, or it gives you a nice natural tint to it. And then the shine, I love the shine, and Yeah, it doesn't feel sticky at all, which is amazing. So these two products, I am honestly quite impressed. So I highly recommend for you guys to try them out and the rest of her products. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want me to do more of product reviews, first impressions, and knowing my thoughts on new product launch, let me know so I can guide you guys if the product is worth the hype, if it is a hit or miss, and just my opinion overall on the products based on my experience and my personal preferences. Thanks again guys for watching. I hope to see you guys next week. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Share this video to other makeup lovers, and I hope to see you guys next week. Take care and keep safe.